Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss about the Splunk Enterprise versus Splunk Cloud. So what are the difference between both two? So let's start. So deployment, if we'll talk about the Splunk Enterprise deployment, it's fully managed by you, hosted on on-premise on or in your private cloud. So all the component into the Splunk Enterprise, it will be managed by you, and compared to the Splunk Cloud, it's fully managed by the Splunk PS or Splunk support itself. So this is a major difference. And the next thing is management. So it's required user management. So enterprise, if we talk about the Splunk Enterprise, it's required the user management, updates, scaling and maintenance. So all this activity, all this process will be followed by your own team, like your own on-premise team, which is sitting in your office, or maybe in your different office, but it will be managed by under your management. If we'll talk about same thing into the Splunk Cloud, all this scaling, update, maintenance, everything should be taken care by the Splunk itself. Scalability. So if we have to adding any hardware resources like CPU, memory or any storage, so all this will be manual scaling, and it will be done by your team, it will be done by under your management. But in Splunk Cloud, if you have purchased the Splunk Cloud, and uh, they have given you the automatic scaling, so it based on your data volume, it will be automatically scale. Your system hardware will be increased based on your requirement. Security. So full control over infrastructure. In Splunk Enterprise, you have the full control of your infrastructure, data stable for strict and compliance. Where data is managed in the Splunk Cloud, data is managed in Splunk Cloud, compliant with standard like SOC 2, HIPAA and GDPR. If we'll talk about the pricing, so upfront cost for hardware, software and maintenance. So any cost it's direct belonging to you. It's basically on depend upon the what hardware you want to use for your infrastructure, what software, what and how you would like to maintain. So it's all depend upon you. So the cost and everything, it's directly in your hand. Where in subscription, it's based on the pricing. So what subscription you have purchase, its gold, platinum or silver, inclusive of infrastructure and updates. So like which infrastructure you want to use in your for your Splunk Cloud, you want to deploy in the Splunk Cloud. Let's suppose you want to deploy AWS, you want to use the Google Cloud. So all you have to describe using the subscription with the Splunk Cloud, and you can include all these parameters. High flexibility, so you have everything you in your hand to configure hardware, script and custom apps. You can do whatever you want into Splunk Enterprise, but where in Splunk Cloud you have the limited customizability due to Splunk managed backend infrastructure. So anything that you wanted to deploy or customize your app, you will have to go to some 10 process, which is called vetting process, and you have to take the permission from the Splunk. You have to rectify, they will rectify, then only you can upload or configure anything into the Splunk Cloud. So this is what we have discussed, and maybe in our next video I will show you how it will look like the Splunk Enterprise and Splunk Cloud, what component we handle into Splunk Enterprise and what component we handle into Splunk Cloud. So thank you guys, kindly subscribe our channel and like our video, and let us know if any topic you want to create for specific.